Siren suddenly malfunctioning. It might not be a product defect. Don't rush to replace the unit yet. We recently handled a typical issue. The client reported the C3 button wouldn't deactivate, but the real culprit was the wiring hidden under the chassis. In modified vehicles, bundling data cables with power lines creates severe EMI, causing the Siren host to misread signals and freeze the system. For stability, remember, physically isolate signal lines. Use protective tubing, never coil wires. Provide slacket connectors. And ensure all plugs are locked tight. Modification is more than just connecting devices. It's a commitment to safety. Our SELO system offers custom harnesses for plug-and-play simplicity.